Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really cool box card for you. This is my Boo box card. Isn't that really fun? I love the little haunted house in the background, those bats floating around the moon, and those fun little ghosts on top of this cute little sentiment. It folds nice and flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This project is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2023. If you'd like to purchase the individual cut file for this project, you can head to my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. This project is also available with the VIP Access Pass. With the VIP Access Pass, you get access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. For more information on the VIP Access Pass, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC 2023. I have both links listed in the video description. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting to the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel, find the envelope, highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Now we can do this for the outer box. Highlight the score lines, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, for the inner tab piece, highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. So altogether we have the score lines for the envelope, the outer box piece, and then the inner tab piece. All of those have been converted. Now we can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mats for this project. And you can see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I'm going to go ahead and fold along the score lines of this outside box piece. So I'll just go ahead and fold as a mountain fold. and another mountain fold. And then these two bottom pieces I'm going to fold as valley folds. Go ahead and burnish as well. So there's our box all folded up. Now we can go ahead and add our inside cover panel. Just going to go ahead and line up the bottom edge here, and it should lay nicely within those score lines as well as up here on the top. This should all be lined up right here. Okay, just like that. I'll set that to the side for a few minutes. Now we can mat and layer our messaging panel for the back of the card. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer up the inside tab piece. So you're going to start with the piece that has the tabs. You're going to add the smaller piece of the haunted house onto that tab piece. Don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help show you how to layer everything together. Before I glue the two pieces together, I'm going to fold the tabs. So I want the tabs to be facing away from me. I'm going to go ahead and fold both of them towards the back. I'll burnish the two. So then that's ready to go. And now I'll go ahead and add that smaller piece to the tab section. Okay. And now we can go ahead and layer up the front cover panel. So for the front cover panel, we're going to start with the dark purple, the lighter purple, and then the cream. And there is our front cover panel. So cute. Now go ahead and take the box piece, go ahead and flip it over, and you're going to add the messaging panel to the back. You're going to want the yellow to show through from the front, so just go ahead and make sure to cover up those star cutouts on the box piece. Now I'll take the inside tab piece and add some glue to the left tab here. I'm going to flip it around and line up this tab with the bottom and then the side of those score lines. Just make sure to line up that bottom so that everything will fold nice and flat. We want everything to line up. Okay, and now what you can do is you can add your glue to the other tab and then just fold that box piece over. Okay, and lastly, what you can do is add your glue to the left tab here on the box piece. Attach your front cover panel to that one side. Open that up, add your glue to the other tab, and then go ahead and close up the box. And there is our Boo box card. Isn't that fun? Super cute. I'll go ahead and set that to the side so we can let that all dry. Now to make the envelope, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Add your glue to the outer edge of that inlay panel. Add the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin that around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms your envelope. Such a fun card. Didn't this card come together so quick? I love those little ghosts. It's super, super cute. I can't wait for you to make it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through our Facebook group, our Facebook page, or even send me an email. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye!